I am doing so much better. I'm telling you, it's nothing like when you recover from not feeling well. I don't know what it is that I had, what I went through, but it was an awful past 4 days. I had a cold, sore throat, fever, everything. I don't know, but I am so much better. I'm happy, and I wanted to come and get some water vibes, so enjoy. Keeping my vibes positive all the way. Good morning, guys. I'm going for a walk. It's Thursday morning, so I will see you on the walk. It's a beautiful morning, no rain today, so let's go for that walk. It's a beautiful sunny Thursday morning, so let's go for our walk. As you can see, palm trees are out. Guys, I am here, as you can see, right behind me. Look how beautiful it is. Do you see how beautiful this is? Yeah, I'm gonna show you the bridge and everything, so let's go. You guys, that's the bridge over the Snow Island. I love this. I think it's so beautiful. What do you all think? Yeah, I think so too. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, guys. I'll check in later.
So I did my 30 minutes. I kept my promise to myself. It's time to take care of ourselves. You know, a lot of times going into the winter time, into the fall, we go in already with some goals for our weight loss, but we don't do anything about it. We just add to it and get heavier and say, next year we're gonna do it. No, today we're gonna do it. Today. There's no time like the present.